Hey there, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a must-have for any serious woodworker or DIY enthusiast. The DEWALT 20V Max * Finish Nailer. This isn't just any nailer. It's arguably the best 16-gauge nailer on the market right now. Let's get into why that's the case. First off, what sets this DEWALT apart is its cordless design. No more tangled cords or noisy compressors. It runs entirely on a 20V battery, which not only simplifies your workspace but also gives you the freedom to work anywhere, anytime. Now, let's talk features. The DEWALT 20V Max * Finish Nailer boasts a powerful brushless motor. This isn't just for show. It maximizes runtime and durability, ensuring you can tackle large projects without missing a beat. Switching between sequential and contact actuation modes is seamless thanks to the tool-free selectable trigger. Whether you need precision or speed, this nailer delivers. As for usability, it's a breeze. The tool-free depth adjustment lets you sink nails exactly where you need them, while the jam release mechanism means you'll spend less time clearing jams and more time working. One feature I love is the multifunctional LED lights. They not only illuminate your workspace but also provide diagnostics, ensuring you're always aware of the tool's status. Speaking of which, user feedback has been overwhelmingly positive, with a maneuverability rating of 5.0 and high marks for battery life and ease of use. It's clear why this tool is a favorite among professionals and hobbyists alike. Wrapping it up, if you're in the market for a top-notch 16-gauge finish nailer, look no further than the DEWALT 20V Max *. Its cordless convenience, robust features, and solid performance make it a standout choice. That's it for today's review. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth product reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.